Okay guys, just received my CVTech Powerbloc80 and if you remember from a previous video, I did a short video on how loud my clutch, my original Arctic clutch was with worn arms in there. I've just rebuilt the clutch, so let's hear now how it sounds like. It's a bit quieter, but it's still loud. So now that you heard the rebuilt Arctic Cat clutch, let's install the CVTech Powerbloc80 and do another sound test. It's quiet, but I thought it'd be quieter, so maybe it's part sounds of the engine that we hear, but I will let you judge. By yourself. This was my investigation on what is the sound difference between the OEM Arctic Cat clutch and this Powerbloc80. So this is it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I will release another video. So on this, I wish everybody a great day and see you later. Goodbye.